Hi guys,
Okay.
we're back.
Hi guys, welcome back.
We're with our feedback. Hey Mel, I gotta get more water.
I'm just cutting up a green onion here, guys, just for my garnish. I'm going to add that to my. I had mine in the slow cooker for about 2.5, 3 hours.
And Melanie's didn't start bubbling, eh Mel?
No, mine really didn't start boiling, so I just took it out and put it on the stove just to get it to thicken up a little bit, which it has. It's like I'll take it over and show you actually. Oh, Jerry, yours looks browner than mine, I think. I don't know.
Oh, and it's like a gravy. You want to know what it is, Mel? I think it's your slow cooker, man, because we had problems with the last recipe in your slow cooker too.
Can you see that?
Yeah. No, mine got a lot browner than that. Probably.
Yeah, mine.
I don't think your slow cooker is heating up the way that you want it to.
That's because it's a Montreal Canadian one.
Aha. Them's fighting words.
But I put it on the stove and it has gotten thicker.
Well, no, what? Melanie and I were talking. Now it has mine has a little bit of spice to it because I did put a teaspoon of the chili flakes, but it tastes like a thick teriyaki sauce. Mind you, people, mine started bubbling and started thickening up. I really like the sauce kind of thick. So I added a little bit more of a cornstarch slurry, like another tablespoon and a half of cornstarch with cold water. And I threw it in and it was like thick.
Yeah, you know what? I might do that go just a little bit thicker.
Just because, but I mean, it's all personal preference, really, you know. It's personal preference because it depends on what you're putting it over. Some people might like it a bit thinner to go over rice or whatever, right?
Yeah, I like it like sweet and sour.
Yeah, like that plum sauce texture.
Here's my green onions, guys. I'm just going to, oh, that looks good.
That's my oven rice that I'm going to put it over.
I'm just going to put in my green onions here. Mix that through.
Yeah, I'm going to put some green onions in mine too. I think you got to get a new slow cooker, Mel.
I think so.
Because it took 10 hours to make a 4-hour recipe the last time. And
but I think it's because I had too much water in it last time too.
True. That's true.
Remember?
Yeah, that's true.
How much cornstarch did you say you used?
I put another almost 2 tablespoons of cornstarch and 2 tablespoons of cold water in a cup, and I mixed it well till it became smooth, and then I put it in the pot of bubbling. My sauce is still bubbling. And as it cools, cornstarch will thicken it up even more. So you might end up having to dilute it if you have leftovers.
Here, I just put some cornstarch in. I'm just gonna do some cold water.
I like lots of green onions, so. Looks nice with the green onion. I gotta show you, peeps.
I'm just making a little slurry.
I don't know if I got this in the shot or not. I'm hoping.
Oh yeah, that looks good.
Yeah, it's still bubbling around the sides now, and the cover is even off.
I had a little bubble, but nothing.
No, I'm happy with it.
I'm just going to add this in, guys, just to see if I can.
I've got dishes in the background. I'm doing dishes and making counters. And I'm going to put mine on warm.
But yeah, as soon as I smelled, the first thing I said is, oh my God, this smells like teriyaki.
I would say it's identical. The only difference in it is the bourbon. So you can make teriyaki chicken. Yeah, the bourbon might add a little bit of a different type of flavor to it, but I don't find very much.
No, and if you smell it, that's all you smell it. It smells like teriyaki sauce.
Like, you know, my doggy wants up. I got to get her a chair.
I'll just give this a minute to thicken up, guys, and I'll put some on a plate for you. And
My dog's trying to get over to the crock pot.
oh, is she?
Yeah.
I'll just wait. I got that turned up a little bit. I'm just going to see if it'll thicken up, guys. It should. It seems like it's thickening up. So. And I will put some on a plate and show you. But it does smell good. It's very.
Oh, it does smell good. And you wonder what? I tasted the sauce, and sauce does taste delicious. You know, it really does. And chicken thighs, like you can not worry too much about them drying out. You could leave it on, like instead of the 2, you can hours or whatever. You can leave it on for 3 and let the sauce thicken up. You know, I would recommend cooking it on high though, so that you're not waiting too long, unless you're going out somewhere and don't care. We're hungry.
I know.
So we're like, come on.
Come on, cornstarch.
Yeah, but as it cools, cornstarch does make things even more thicker. So you might want to add a bit more soy sauce or.
This is thick now, so I'll put some on a plate.
Give it a tasty poo.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put you down here.
But you want to know what? Unless you can get, like, I know my friend Linda down in the United States, she only paid $1, Melanie, to get the little shot of bourbon for making the sauce. So I was like, oh, wow, okay. Not here. You can't get something like that for $1. So.
No.
So, I mean, for me, like if it only cost me $1 to get like a little shot of bourbon to make this, I do it again with the bourbon. But because we don't drink it, my husband and I, and it was
nor me.
Yeah, or you or Kevin or whatever, you know. Like we'll have that bourbon in the house, like we'll have to give it away. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Okay, there, guys. There it is.
Looks nice with the pepper smell.
Yeah, just to give it, I like just something like a little crunch and.
Yeah, I like it. It looks good, Mel.
Here, I'll take a little, oh wait, now I gotta take my elastics out.
You done did good there, girl.
Well, we'll know soon enough. I'm just trying to get my elastics out, guys, so I'm just gonna step away for a second. You don't want to see that. Holy God, they're in there tight.
Mine's bubbling like crazy. I'm just going to turn it off.
All right, here, I'll take a little bite, guys. Oh, the chicken's nice and moist.
Yeah, the chicken thighs I find really they really stay, like, they don't really dry up, do they?
Well, I got the breasts, right? Boneless, skinless breasts.
Oh, you got breast? I went and got thighs. They stay good? Mine's chicken thighs. Let me go and check mine out then. You want to know why yours might be lighter for that reason too, Mel? Because chicken thighs are darker.
And see, I like darker meat.
Well, I just went by the recipe.
But I can't get boneless. I never seen boneless, skinless chicken thighs around here.
Oh, really? That's funny.
Oh my God, that is good.
Hot.
No good cold.
Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And if somebody doesn't want any spice to it, just that half a teaspoon is fine. Mine's not hot spicy, but there's a little spice to it from the.
Now see, I don't taste anything.
This is the type of chili flakes and stuff you use, right?
I like the crunch of the green pepper, red peppers.
I love it. I love it. It's excellent.
And you get, I think you can get a little taste of bourbon, like something just different.
Yeah, it kind of elevates the teriyaki sauce, right?
Yeah, like, you know, it's like, tastes like teriyaki sauce, but then you get this like, okay, there's something just a little extra.
Yeah, and we know that it's bourbon, but somebody else be like, wow, man, what kind of teriyaki sauce is that?
Mm-hmm. Very,
Anyway,
very
guys,
good.
I think it's a winner. I'd make it again.
I would make this again.
Now that we got that bourbon, it's going to last. I don't know how long it lasts before it goes bad, but it's going to be a while.
It doesn't go bad.
So anywho, peeps, tune in to our next recipe. Hey, Mel. And thanks.
Yeah, I don't know.
Thanks,
I don't know what it is.
Yeah, we got it recorded, I think. We're just constantly doing this, and we don't know where we are in the mix. You know.
Oh, we did our pick.
Yeah.
But you guys won't see that for a bit.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because we got other ones we got to put before it.
So thanks, everybody, for whoever is watching this. We thank you. Hopefully you like the video enough to give us a thumbs up and share it, like it, subscribe, and all that stuff, because we'd appreciate it, Mel?
We would.
Yeah. We're two cousins cooking, but we like to cook with friends too.
Great.
So take care, everybody. Peace.
See ya, guys.